Challan 280 is used for making payment of income tax, advance tax, self-assessment tax. So when you open the Challan 280 to make the payment online, you have to select a few things. Here, tax applicable, there are two options, corporation tax or income tax that is other than companies. So if you are paying the tax for an individual, you need to select income tax. Then comes tax payment. So if you are paying the tax in advance, that is during the previous year itself, you need to select advance tax. Or if you are paying the tax at the time of filing of your return, then you need to select self-assessment tax. So let's assume I'm paying the advance tax. Then you need to select the mode of payment. Here I'm selecting net banking. Then you need to type in a PAN number. And the assessment year. Then you need to type the address. After you type the address, there is the option to write your email ID and mobile number, but the fields are not mandatory, so you can skip these fields. Then you need to feed in the CAPTCHA code. After feeding all these details, just click on proceed. And then a confirmation screen will appear wherein the name of the person will be shown. You just need to check the details, and if the details are okay, click on I agree and submit to the bank. Then your net banking window will appear. You need to select the relevant option, and accordingly, you need to put in your login password and make the payment.